Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing extremely well. And in this video, we are going to talk about Yarn versus NPM. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And this is the second video in this series. So let's get started. So we have already talked about NPM, what it does, what it is. But there is yet another package manager that is known as Yarn. So Yarn does the exactly same thing in a better way that people say, that blogs say, that developers say, right? And it is new as well compared to Node package manager, that is NPM. And NPM is now handled by GitHub, whereas Yarn was developed by Facebook, aka Meta now, to solve few problems that was existing in NPM library, NPM package manager, right? So first thing to understand, there was already NPM and Yarn came in later on to work as an alternative to that, right? So what does it differ on, right? Most of the things exactly are same, right? It's just reinventing of wheel, but there was some limitation like security limitation, speed limitation that were overcome by Yarn. But the thing to note here is both of them are open source. And both of them have been coming to a same path now where they share a lot of features, lot of things, lot of security fixes, lot of bug fixes, and being very consistent with the developer ecosystem and doing very well in their own terms, right? Now, I have seen various blogs, various things, and myself have used Yarn at some point of time and use Yarn for various of my project. And I have felt that Yarn was faster than NPM, right? There are packages which were taking like a minute to install, like come on my system. Yarn did it like very faster, like 10 to 20 seconds, right? So obviously Yarn was faster there, right? But going with the point of time when both of the projects started moving and comparison started happening, both of the projects have been moving in the right direction and bringing a lot of fixes, lot of optimization to the project that can ease the developer productivity, right? But most of the things are same on Yarn. It's just that Yarn is maintained and developed by other company, where NPM is developed by other company and maintained by other company, right? If you go to this particular site, yarnpkg.com, you'll find that entire the thing is same. You just get the CLI as well, just like NPM, where you do NPM install, here you do NPM Yarn install, right? And there are a lot of things same, but I've been reading like the parallel installation of Yarn, like Yarn install dependency in parallel, so it is fast, and NPM does this sequentially, right? But with that, there are a lot of security fixes that brought up in Yarn as well. For example, whenever a dependency comes in, Yarn runs a security check and do a lot of security check to make sure that the package is not vulnerable or it can affect your project, right? But now going forward, NPM has also brought off many checks, right? With the increasing of project lifespan, increasing of project version, NPM is bringing a lot of feature, as well as Yarn is bringing a lot of feature. But this one point of time, I feel like you can use any project manager, any package manager for your project, depending on your needs and what suits you better. Also Yarn workspace, that is a feature in Yarn, it's also working with NPM right now. So just sit and think about it, like what are the benefits, what are the cons and pros of this two package manager, and what should mostly suit your project, right? And more or less they do the same thing, install packages, remove packages, maintain the dependency, and that's it. So I hope you have understand, like Yarn is also that is alternative to NPM, but you should be deciding based on your project what is best suited for your project, right? So with that, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I make tech tutorials and tech blogs on this channel. So I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.